In this video, I'll detail how to put wallpaper on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, whether the Series 3 or Series 9 or even the upcoming Series 10, and you want to change the wallpaper or put a new wallpaper on the Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how to do this. So if you're done with this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to put wallpaper on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are both connected together. So go ahead, connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone. So this is simple. Once they are both paired together for the first time, always make sure you have the Bluetooth turned on your iPhone. And once the Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone, your Apple Watch and your iPhone will always be connected together. Is that? So I have my Bluetooth turned on and this is my Apple Watch connected to my iPhone. Now, to put wallpaper on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is open the watch application on your iPhone. Once you open it, then you should see different watch faces. If you scroll through this, you're going to see the same settings you have on your Apple Watch on the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Then click on Face Gallery. Then once you selected that, this is new watch faces. That is the photo app, which is the one we want to put on our iPhone. You can also scroll down the page to locate the Face app wallpaper. So just scroll down like this. You can see this is the photo app. Then you can click on this photo app here. Then this is the photo wallpaper. You can click on it. Here you need to add your photo. To add your photo, just scroll down and locate Choose Photos. Then you should see your photo pops on your iPhone. Then go ahead, click on All to have access to all the photos you have on your iPhone. Then select the photo you want to set as your Apple Watch wallpaper. So just go ahead, locate the photo and then select it. So let's say I want to use this particular photo. Then click on it. Once you selected it, you see it checked. Then come here and click on Add. You can add multiple photos as your wallpaper. Then click on Add at top right. Then here you see photo. And once added, this is how it's going to look. Now I can just come to time size here and choose your VV right under the time size. So I'll prefer to go with X large, and that's the time. Now once you're done, you can just come down here, configure or customize the styles. So I prefer to go with natural. You can also change the numerals like this. So once you're done, you can also come down and customize the complication. What else do you want to have at the bottom of your Apple Watch? Once you change the wallpaper here, what do you want to have here? So just come down and customize that. And once you're done, click on Add on the photo, then Added. Then go back to your watch face on my watch. Then you should see under my faces, then you have this. Is that? Now, literally, this is going to be set as your Apple Watch wallpaper. You see that? So you can use other images or pictures. It could be wallpaper online that you download to your iPhone, then set that is, and that's going to be set as the wallpaper on your Apple Watch. That is basically how you can easily put wallpaper on Apple Watch using your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.